All right, in continuation of multiplication of matrices, in the previous class, we've done multiplication of matrices, but it is 2 by 2. But today now, we want to try and solve matrices problem, which is 3 by 3, meaning 3 columns, 3 rows, or 3 rows and 3 columns. So that's what we want to solve now. I believe you are with your writing material. So let's work together. Thank you. You have been given matrix A to be this and matrix B to be this. When you look at it, see one row, second row, third row, meaning 3 rows. Look at 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, meaning 3 column. So that's why we call it 3 by 3. All right, now, so let's try and solve now. You are asked to find AB. So this is your A, B now. Meaning that you have to write the matrices together. So you have 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 0, 1. So that's that. So side by side with matrix B, 3, minus 1, 2. You have what? 4, 1, minus 3. You have 2, minus 3, and you have 5. All right. So now, how do we go about this? Take this first row to multiply the 3 column one after the other. You don't have to rush. All right, now, so what do we need to do now? So we are taking this now. 1 multiplied by 3. Let me circle it so that you can know. And this now. 1 multiplied by 3 is what? 3. Plus 4 multiplied by 4, that's 16. Plus, all right, minus 3 times 2, that's what? Minus 6. All right, we are done with that one. So let's move to the second column now. 1 times minus 1, that's minus 1. Plus 4 times 1, that's 4. Minus 3 times minus 3, that's going to be 9. All right, so plus 9. All right, so let's move on now to the last column now. The last column. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 4 times minus 3, that's going to be what? Minus 12. That's minus 12. All right, plus minus 3 times 15, that's going to be give you minus 15. I hope you are following. All right, we are done with that. So let's take this again, the second row, to multiply all this accordingly. So 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6. Plus this minus 3 times 4 will give you what? Minus 12. All right, plus 4 times 2 will give you what? 8. All right, so let's move to the second column here. 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. Plus minus 3 times 1 will give you minus 3. Plus 4 times minus 3 will give you what? Minus 12. All right, is that clear now? So now, where do you need to go now? The last one. So this second row with the last column. 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. Plus, don't forget that you are adding them together. Minus 3 times minus 3, that's going to give us 9. Plus, all right, the last one here, 4 multiplied by 5 will give us 20. All right. Good. So now we are on the last stage now. This last row multiplied by this 3 column. So 5 multiplied by 3 will give us what? 15. Plus 0 times 4 will give us 0. Plus 1 times 2 will give us 2. All right, we're done with that one. All right, so now let's move now. 5 multiplied by minus 1, that's what? Minus 5. Is that clear? Plus 0 multiplied by 1 is what? 0. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 3, that's going to give us minus 3. All right. So the last stage now, So what do you need to do? 5 multiplied by 2 will give us 10, plus 0 multiplied by minus 3 is 0. So plus 1 multiplied by 5, 5. So everything is going to be in a bracket. I hope you don't forget that. All right, now, so let's try and do this now so that we'll just write the answer here. 3 plus 16 is what? 18. Don't forget that this will, no, this 18. This 18 here. So plus times minus will give you minus. So you have what there? 6. So 3 plus this, okay, 3 plus this will give us 19. 3 plus this will give us 19. So 19 minus 6 now. What are you going to have? You have what? 13. So this is 13 here. We're still going to cross-check our answer. All right, so here now, minus 1 plus 4, that's 3. 3 plus 9 will give you what? 12. All right, so here now, this is 2. Plus times minus will give you minus. So what do you have here? 12. All right, the same thing here. Plus times minus, minus you have what? 15. All right, 2 minus 12 will give you minus 10. So minus 10 minus 15 will give you minus 25. Is that clear now? Good. So we are done with this now. So let's move to the second one. So here, this is 6. Plus times minus, that's minus. This you have 12 plus 8. All right, now 6 minus 12 is minus 6. So minus 6 plus 8 will give you 2. All right, is that taken? So now I think we are here now. So this is what now? This minus 2. This minus 2 plus times this minus. We have 3 there. This plus times this is minus. We have what? 12. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 12 is minus 17. Thank you. I know some students are following up. Thank you. So 4 plus 9 gives you what? 13. So 13 plus 20. 20 plus 13. So that's 3. That's 33. All right. So now I think we're on the last stage now. 15 plus 0 is 15 plus 2. That's what? 17. All right. So we are here now. Minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5. So look at this. Plus times minus is minus. So you have 3 there. So minus 5 minus 3 is what? Minus 8. All right. So the last stage here is 10 plus 0. That's what? 10 plus 5. That's 15. All right. So, all right. So let's do a kind of a recap here. This plus this 19. 19 minus this minus 13. So this minus this 3 plus this. 3 plus this, that's what? 12. All right, this 2 minus this, that's minus 10 minus that, minus 25. So this is just the answer of 3 by 3 multiplication of matrices. You just have to take time, you have to calm down and look at the calculation very well. Please try to like this page, share it, and send your comment. You can request for any topic so that we can enlighten you on it. Thank you. Meet you in the next class. Bye.